If I hate you, I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. Now if you wonder if I hate you, fuck you. Whoever be having my sis fucked up, fuck her up, because we need the music. I'm sorry. It's a sacrifice. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my eye is watering. It's giving water. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to bring you guys another tutorial, but this time it's a very quick tutorial. It's giving SZA's nose. You guys know that freaking picture when she is in the back of somebody's car seat looking all happy and beautiful, and Miss Mim is giving cinched nose. Like, it's giving Dr. Miami. It's giving I can't breathe. It's giving everything. So yes, it is a much more harsher nose. Do y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's giving. It's so cute. Wow. Is it? Yeah. So I hope you enjoy the quick little snippet. So first I'm going on with my Bounce foundation and just going over the nose to get an even clear base. And then I'm setting that with some Maybelline Fit Me and banana powder mixed together, just so that I can set. Then I'm going in with a little bit of e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the hydrating one, to start carving out that nose. And I'm going about a halfway down because we will eventually blend it all the way out, and we don't want it to be too harsh. So go about a halfway. And then I also carve out the tip of my nose just to enhance that part of it as well. So when you're carving out that nose contour, make sure you hit that V shape on the tip of the nose and then come around. So kind of like a triangle, but not necessarily a straight triangle at the top. And then blend all the way down. Then I'm just going to blend all of that just to make it all seamless. We will get some more of that color back when we set. It was very hard to blend out that cream on top of that powder. That's why you see me keep trying to blend and keep blending until I get that desired look that I want. Now, if you've made it this far, you might as well go ahead and like this video, or subscribe, or comment, show your girl some love. Then I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and finding a very neutral color, but also somewhere close to my skin tone. You see me kind of testing it out. And I am highlighting that nose bridge and the tip of my nose. I'm sorry if I caught it on camera. I can't see that mirror. I need the mirror, and it's really be in the way. So it should look like this. I go in with that twice just to make sure it's nicely highlighted, and then I take my finger and blend that out so that it's not too bright. Now we're going back in with that Maybelline Fit Me powder in Deep and Bill Nye powder and banana powder, and chiseling those sides of the nose. And now I'm setting the contour with the Black Radiance Ebony Pressed Powder. You see you get more of that defining look and more color when you use the powder. And for this, you really want to focus. Make sure you get those lines as smooth as possible and as straight as possible. I'm like, damn, I look crazy and I want to blend it out so bad. But we want that cinched nose. So now I'm wiping away with that ABH Mahogany. I put a little bit of it on that brush while I wipe away that powder. That will give you something more close to your skin color without that banana powder being so rich and high in color. And hopefully help you with the flashback as well. And now at the end, I'm just taking a nice angled brush, something that you would use for like an eyeliner or something, or brows. And I am highlighting that nose, the bridge of the nose and the very, very tip with your best highlighter that you have. I think I use Gold Deposit, the Dinosaur Gold Deposit. And now I'm just going in with the Gloss Bomb Cream Color Drip Lip Cream by the Fenty Beauty in Mauve White. It's a rosy mauve. I love this color, it's so cute. And then a lip liner of my choosing, and I'm just blending those colors together. The rest of the icing on the cake, and boom, you have your SZA nose contour. Wish you peace, blessings, and all the prosperity in the world, and have a good one. Bye.